Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start our new exercise 4.c. So here the question it is given, using formula. What the formula given? C, a plus b plus c whole cube. This formula is our a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into b plus c into our c plus a into our a plus b. Using this formula, we need to find out the products of the given question. So what the first question it is given? C. First question is our a plus b minus 2c. So here a equal to our a will be a equal our a only, b also our equal to our b, and c is our minus 2c it is given. So we'll arrange this one. C, because we know the formula, it is our plus formula, a plus b plus c. So this one will make here plus, then bracket will be our minus 2c. Now we apply the formula. So a cube, this one is our a, so a cube will be remain our same to same, plus our b cube same to same, then our c cube, this one minus 2c whole cube, plus our 3b plus c. So b here it is our b only, and c is equal to our minus 2c into our c plus a. So c minus 2c plus our a equal our a only into our a plus b. So a plus b same to same. Now we'll take out this one from the bracket. So if we take out this one from the bracket, a cube is equal to our a cube, b cube will be our same b cube, minus 2c cube. See, minus 2c, how many times are there? 3 times are there. Minus 2c 3 times. So minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, and c 3 times are there, so it will be our c cube. So minus 8 c cube into this one 3 into this one will take out from the bracket, so it will plus minus will be minus 2c. Similarly this one also to be minus 2c plus a, and this one same to same will be remain. Now we'll arrange this one. Here also we are able to give answer, and if we arrange this one, then a plus b, then b minus c, then our this one will arrange. If we not arrange, then also okay, here only it is okay. If we arrange, then a plus b first this one, then our b minus 2c, then will be our this portion. This portion here positive is our a, the negative portion is our minus 2c. This one will get our second position. Now question number 5. Question number 5, a here it is our 2x, b will be our minus y, and c will be our 1 by 3. A is our 2x, b will be our minus y, and c is our 1 by 3. So apply the formula, a cube plus our b cube plus our c cube plus our thrice b plus c into our c plus a into our a plus b. Now this one 2x whole cube will be our 8x cube, and minus y 3 times are there, so it will be our minus y cube only. And 1 by 3 whole cube, 1 by 3 how many times are there? 3 times are there. So 1 3 times if we multiply 1 only, and 3 3 times if we multiply, it will be our 27. So it will be our 1 by 27. Then this one will take out from the bracket, this one, and arrange this one. So it will be our first, we will write 2x minus y, directly we are writing 2x, then our 1 by 3 minus y, this one, then will be our this portion 2x plus will be our 1 by 3. This type of math very easy, only you need to apply our formula. Now question number 2, if a plus b plus c equal 0, then show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice c plus a and a plus b. Here c, b plus c it is our missing. So given it is our what, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So b plus c it is missing. So if we keep b plus c in one side, then our a will be our shifted to our right hand side. So here before it is our plus sign, when we shift this one in right hand side, it will be our minus sign. So b plus c value we got minus a. Now we will know the formula. What the formula? This one is given in our past. This one formula we know. This formula we write here, and already it is given in our question, a plus b plus c is equal to our 0. So a plus b plus c will be our 0 here. And according to the formula, here we know just now b plus c value we got. B plus c is equal to our minus a. So instead of b plus c, we will put here minus a. Now multiply this one. Same to same, this portion will be remain our, and here minus, and here it is our plus. So plus minus will be our minus. So minus 3a into our a plus b into our c plus a. We need to prove what? Need to prove 3a into c plus a. So it will be easy now. Now this portion our will shift in our left hand side, so it is our minus. So when we shift this one in our left hand side, it will be our plus, and here will be remain our this portion only remain a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Therefore our a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be our 3a into c plus a into our a plus b. Question number 4. Show that 2x minus y minus z whole cube plus our 2y minus z minus x whole cube plus 2z minus x minus y whole cube is equal to our 3 into this portion. 3 into our 2x minus y minus z, 2y minus z minus x into our 2z minus x minus y. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. We need to prove this one. So it will be difficult if we break this formula. So we will consider this one, this portion as our a. So 2x minus y minus z is equal to a. Similarly, this portion we are taking as our b, and this one we are considering as our c. Now if we add a plus b plus c, so it will be our c what? A value will put here, then b value, then c value, all will put. Then we'll add, see here, 2x, then our x and x. So 2x, this x is equal positive and this 2 our negative, so minus 2x will be. Similarly remaining one also will be our 2y minus 2y. Plus will be 2z, minus will be our 2z. So all will be cancelled each other. So will be remain our 0. Now our left hand side of the given expression will be, what about the given expression? See, this one is our given expression. This expression left hand side, this one will be our a cube, plus will be our b cube, plus will be our c cube. So this one will be our given expression of the left hand side will be our a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula is our what? This one from the what formula given our, from this formula only we will get, see this formula, from here only we will get, from this formula. So from this formula only we will get our a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula. So this portion only our needed, this formula our needed. So this portion will shift in our right hand side. So it will be our minus thrice b plus c, c plus a and a plus b. So it will be our a plus b plus c whole cube minus will be our thrice this portion. So we will apply this formula here. Here we will apply this formula. So this one will be our a plus b plus c whole cube minus will be thrice ab, thrice into a plus b, into will be our b plus c into our c plus a. Now here we will put this value, a value. Whatever the value we are considering this a, this one will put here. Then plus will be our b value. So b value here. Into our here c, b value. This one will be our b value. Plus our c, this one is our c value. Into our c, c value here plus our a value. Now from our a plus b plus c, before only we got a plus b plus c is equal to our 0. So here we will put it is our 0 cube. And this portion, see this portion now will take out this one from the bracket. If we take out this one from the bracket, it will be our 2x minus our y, this one, then our minus z. Then plus will be our 2y, then minus our z, minus will be our x. Similarly this portion also will take out from the bracket, and this one also will take out from the bracket. Now see, here 0 has no value, so it will be remain our minus 3 only. And this one will see 2x minus x, so 2x minus x only minus x. And y, this one is our y, it is our plus 2y. So it will be our plus y will be our, because big number is our positive. And z, it is our minus z, this one also our minus z, so it will be our minus 2z. Similarly this portion also will see. So y, 2y, plus 2y and minus y will be our plus y. And z, see here it is our minus z, it is our plus 2z, so it will be our plus z. And x, here also minus, so it will be our minus 2x. Similarly this part also 2z plus 2z minus z will be our z, and here it is our minus x, and this one is our plus 2x, so it will be our plus x, and minus will be our 2y, because both number is our minus, so minus will be minus 2y. Now according to the question we need to arrange this portion. This portion we need to arrange what the question given. According to this question, see question given, it is our this one 2x minus y minus z. So where 2x is there, 2x minus y, 2x minus y minus z. So this one will be our, see it is our given 2x, this one is our 2x, it is our negative, so we need to make this one is our positive. So we will consider this one is our minus, will take common. So if we take minus as common, so this 2 minus 2x will be our positive x, and this our y, it is our positive, so it will be our negative, and z also our positive, so this one also will be our negative. So before we are, that means taking common is our minus. Now see next part, what to do. Next portion is our given 2y. So 2y will be our positive. So where 2y is there, see this portion is our 2y is there, but 2y is our negative, so we'll take same as before 1 minus s common. So 2y will be our positive and remaining z will be our positive, it was, now it will be our negative. X also have positive, so this one will be our negative because we took our minus as our common. And third portion see, in our question it is given plus 2z. So where is 2z is there, this one we need to see. 2z it is our there, here it is. This is our minus 2z. So same like before one, we'll take common minus, so remaining one will be our positive there, then negative will be, and negative there, then positive will be. So 2z it is negative, so it will be positive, and remaining 2 are positive, so it will be our negative. Now see here how many minus are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means minus minus plus, plus minus minus, again minus minus will be our plus. So plus 3x, 3 into 2x minus y minus z into our will be 2y minus z minus x. Into will be our 2z minus x minus y. So is equal to our right hand side. So hence prove this one. Question number 6. If a plus b plus c is equal to minus 1, then show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into 1 plus a into our 1 plus b into our 1 plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is given our a plus b plus c is equal to our minus 1. So a plus b will be our what? A plus b. So we'll shift this c our right hand side, so it will be our minus c. Now from this 2 we'll take minus s common, so it will be our 1 plus c. Similarly remaining portion also. Now see, given our a plus b plus c is equal to our minus 1. Now cubing both the sides, so we have, so a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to minus 1 whole cube. Now we'll apply the formula a plus b plus c whole cube formula. So it will be our a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into our b plus c into c plus a, and minus 1 cube will be our minus 1 only. Now here a plus b value, whatever we got, this one we need to put. A plus b value is equal to our minus 1 plus c. So we have written this one. And b plus c value also, whatever we got here, minus into our a plus b. Similarly our c plus a value also we will put here is equal to our minus 1. Now here you will see how many minus are there in this 3. 1, 2, 3 minus are there. That means it will be our minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So minus 3 into 1 plus a, 1 plus b, 1 plus c, and this minus it is our in right hand side, so we'll shift this one in left hand side, so it will be our positive plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence showed. Question number 8. Simplify. So whatever the expression given, this one we need to simplify. So we'll consider this one first. This one as our a, this one is equal to our b, this one is equal to our c. Now a plus b plus c, if we add this portion, this portion, this portion, so what it will be? So 5x is our positive, another x is there, see here minus 2x, this one also minus 2x, so minus 4x, and plus our 5x, so it will be our x only. Similarly remaining one also, see minus 2y, and then this one also minus 2y, so minus 4y, and plus 5y, so this one also will be our plus y, and this one also same to same, it will be our plus z. And a plus b, a value plus b value, it will be our this one. Then b plus c value also, we put here b value, then plus c value, then it will be our this one. Then c plus a, c value, then our a value. Then we'll add, subtract, then we'll get this one. Now the given expression becomes, whatever the given expression our, this one will be c. Whatever the given expression, this one will write here. Then this portion is our a, so q there, so it will be our a q. This one will be our b q. This one will be our c q. Plus this portion we got, it is our what, c, 3y plus 2z minus 4x. From where we got this one, 3x plus 2z, 3x plus 2z, see 3x plus 2z, where it is 3x, b plus c, it is 3x, not 3x, 3y, so 3y plus our 2z minus our 4x, it will be 2x or 3x. Let me see, this one in question 3z, I have written here 2z, so we'll correct this, so it will be our 3z. So this one we got our from b plus c. Then similarly this one, c, 3z plus 3x, 3z plus 3x, this one we are getting from c plus a, so it will be our c plus a. And this portion 3x plus 3y minus 4z, this one we are getting from a plus b, so a plus b. And this portion, this one we are taking minus as our common, so if we take minus common, so all this one negative one will be our positive. Now this from here to here, it is our formula became, this formula is our a plus b plus c whole cube formula, and this one also our formula became AQ plus BQ plus CQ plus thrice AB into our B plus C plus A. This one also our formula X plus Y plus Z whole cube. And before we got this one, our A plus B plus C. See, A plus B plus C, we got our what? X plus Y plus Z. So instead of this A plus B plus C, 1 minute. So instead of this, our A plus B plus C, we are able to write here X plus Y plus Z whole cube. Now see, both portion are same. So this portion, this one will be cancelled, will be remain our 0. So hence it is proved here. Question number 8.4. So here you see in this question, it is given our, this one is our A plus B plus C whole cube. And these three are like term only, 2 terms are there. Inside 2 terms, but here it is our inside 3 terms. So we will consider this B plus C is our X, C plus A is equal to our Y, and A plus B is equal to our Z. We will consider this one. This one is our 3 terms. For this one we are not considering this one. Now see, X plus Y plus Z value will be our what? We'll add this one, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. So here 2 times A are there, 2 times B also our 2 times there, C also 2 times. So 2A, 2B, 2C. So we are able to take 2 as common. So it will be 2 into A plus B plus C. Now our Y plus Z. So Y value is equal to our C plus A, and Z value is equal to our A plus B. So we'll add this one, so it will be our A 2 times, so 2A plus will be our B plus will be our C. Similarly Z plus X, so Z value plus our X value. We'll add here A 1 time, B 2 times, so 2B and C 1 time. Similarly X plus Y value, X value and Y value. We'll add here A 1 times, B 1 time and C 2 times. Now the given expression, what about the given our expression given in our question, this one will be our, what it will be? See, A plus B plus C, this one we don't know, so same to same will be remain. And this one we are considering our X, so X cube. This one will be our Y cube, this one will be our Z cube. And plus this portion same to same will be remain over here. So same to same will be our remain. Now A plus B plus C whole cube, same to same. We are from these 3 will take minus S common. So if we take minus S common, it will be remain our X cube, it will be our plus because it was minus, so it will be our now minus minus plus will be. Similarly this Z also will be our plus, and this portion also will be remain our same. Now here this formula will break this one, AQ plus BQ plus CQ formula. Already we will learn this one. So AQ plus BQ formula is our A plus B plus C whole cube minus our thrice A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. And this one also same, our A plus B plus C whole cube minus will be our thrice A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Now here we got this one X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z value already we got here. X plus Y plus Z is equal to our 2 into A plus B plus C. So we'll put here 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. And X plus Y, we got the value here. X plus Y value is equal to our A plus B plus 2C. So A plus B plus C. Similarly, whatever we got, this one will put here. Y plus Z value also will put. And C, Z plus X value also will put here. Now this portion same to same. It is our A plus B plus C whole cube. A plus B plus C whole cube is equal to our 2 A plus B plus C whole cube. It is our, how it is becoming our 2 A plus B plus C whole cube. C. Here another A plus B plus C whole cube is there. So this portion and this portion if we add, so it will be our 2 into our A plus B plus C whole cube. And this one will be our 2 cube means our 8, and plus minus minus it will be here. Here minus and here it is plus. So plus minus will be our minus, and 2 cube is equal to our 8. And A plus B plus C will be our whole cube. And here C, minus minus will be our plus. Plus into our 2, this portion, this portion, this portion, same to same. And this one already we add, so only remain our this one minus 3ABC, this one 3B plus C, C plus A and A plus B. Now these 2 are like terms, because see here 2A plus B plus C whole cube, here also A plus B plus C whole cube. So 2 minus 8 will be our minus 6. So and into will be our A plus B plus C whole cube, and remaining portion our same to same will be remain. So here only it is finished. Question number 9. Find the value of, we need to find out the value of our number 1 AQ plus BQ plus CQ. This one value we need to find out. If our B plus C is equal to 12, C plus A is equal to 10 and A plus B is equal to our 8. So whatever the given, this one will write here. This portion is our given. If we add this one B plus C, C plus A and A plus B. So if we add all this one, it will be our, see here, this side is equal to our left hand side, will add all left hand side, and then we will add all right hand side. So left hand side here B 2 times a also our 2 times, c also our 2 times. So it will be our 2 will take common and a plus b plus c, and 12 plus 10, 22 plus 8 will be our 30. Now this 30 will divide by our this 2. 30 divided by 2, so it will be our 15. So a plus b plus c value we got our 15. Now we'll apply our formula. Formula it is our what? A plus b plus c whole cube formula, this one. Now a plus b plus c already we got our 15, so 15 cube is equal to our a cube plus b cube plus c cube, plus our 3 into b plus c is our given our 12, c plus 8 is our given 10, into will be our a plus b value is equal to our 8. So 15 cube, that means 15 3 times we need to multiply, 15 into 15 into our 15, so it will be our 3375. Similarly this one if we multiply all this one it will be our 2880. Now this 2880 will subtract from our 3375. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be our 495. Question number 9.4. We need to find out the value of this expression. If our x is equal to 2 by 3, y is equal to 3 by 8 and z is equal to our 4 by 3. So here in this question you will see these three terms are positive and this one negative, here also one negative is there, in this three terms also one negative there. That means this one is our like term. So from here we will consider this one is our a, this one is our b, this one is our c. So y plus z minus x is equal to a, and similarly this one b, this one is our c. Now if we add a plus b plus c, then what it will be our plus y minus y will be cancelled. Similarly it is our c, plus z minus z will be cancelled, minus x plus x. So what will be remain our 1 plus x, 1 plus y, another plus z. So a plus b plus c is equal to our x plus y plus z. Now b plus c, same as b value plus our c value, it will be our 2x, because z plus z minus it will be cancelled, minus y plus y will be cancelled, so only remain our plus x, so 2x. Similarly c plus a will be our 2y and a plus b will be our 2z. Now the given expression, whatever the expression given, this one will be our what, c. So x plus y plus z same to same will be remain. Then this portion we took as our a, so it is our a cube, this portion is our b cube, this one is our c cube, minus our 21 x y z. Now we'll take minus as our common. If we take from here minus as our common, so this portion up to this portion will be our positive, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, minus will be our 21 x y z. Now we apply formula, this one a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula, this one we are applying here. Now a plus b plus c, this one already we got a plus b plus c is equal to our x plus y plus z. So we'll write here, instead of this a plus b plus c, we'll write here x plus y plus z whole cube. And b plus c we got 2x, c plus a we got 2y, and a plus b we got our 2z. Minus our will be remain our 21xyz. Now this one will take out from the bracket, so here minus and here it is our, here minus, here it is our plus, so plus minus will be our minus, x plus y plus z whole cube. And this one minus, here also minus, so minus minus will be our plus. Plus will be our 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. So 24 x y z minus our 21 x y z. Now this one same will be cancelled, and 24 x y z minus our 21 x y z will be our 3 x y z. Now in our question it is given x value is equal to our 2 by 3, y value is equal to our 3 by 8, and z value is equal to our 4 by 3. So see, x value is 3 into our 1 minute, our x, first our 3, then our x value is equal to our 2 by 3, into our y value is equal to our 2 by 8, 3 by 8, into our z value is equal to our 4 by 3. So 3 will be cancelled, 2 into 4 8, 4 this one will be cancelled, and this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, that means our remain our 1. So the value of this line will be our 1. Question number 10. 1c. What is given the question? Express in factor form. So whatever the expression given, this one we need to form in our factor form, we need to express this one. So here see in question, this one is our 8 into x plus y plus z whole cube, then our y plus z, then our z plus x, then our x plus y. So this one we will consider y plus z is our a, z plus x is equal to our b, and x plus y is equal to our c. Now if we add a plus b plus c, so it will be our 2 times x, 2 times y, and 2 times z. So 2 will take common, so it will be our remain 2 into x plus y plus z. So value of our a plus b plus c is equal to our 2 into x plus y plus z. Now b plus c, will put here b value, z plus x, b value is our z plus x, then our c value. If we add this one, it will be our x 2 times is there, so 2x plus our y 1 time and z also 1 time. Similarly, c plus a and a plus b value also will get. Now whatever the expression given, the question given, this one will write here, and from here see, we'll take minus as our common. This minus we are taking common, so this one will be our plus here, this one minus 1 will be our plus here. Now we'll put the values. This one we are considering y plus z is equal to our a, so a cube. This one our b we are considering, so it will be our b cube. This one will be our c cube. Now we'll apply the formula a plus b, a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula. So the formula is our a plus b plus c whole cube minus our 3 into b plus c plus a into our a plus b. Now from what you got, this one a plus b plus c is equal to our 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. So we'll give this one minus our 3 into b plus c value we got, this one will put here, c plus a value we got, this one will put here, and a plus b value also will put here. Now this one will take out from the bracket. If we take out this one from the bracket, so it will be our 8 into our x plus y plus z whole cube, and here it is our plus and this side is our minus, so plus minus will be our minus, and minus into minus will be our plus, and same to same will be remain. It is this portion and this portion same will be cancelled, so what will be remain our only this portion. That means our 3 into 2x plus y plus z into 2y plus x plus z into will be our 2z plus x plus y. So this question is very easy. Question number 10.5. So question number 10.5, it is given our, see this question. In this question, it is our only 2 terms, 2y minus x whole cube, and this one 3 terms, this one also 3 terms, this one also 3 terms. So this one we are considering as our a, this one we are considering as b, this one is we are considering as our c. Now if we add a plus b plus c, so a value plus our b value plus our c value. Now see, here it is our 2x plus 2x, then plus x, then will be our minus 4x. So 3x minus will be our 4x, so it will be our minus x. Similarly, you will see 4y will be our y, see 3y, here it is our 3y, it is our minus plus 3y, then another plus y, so it will be our plus 4y, so plus 4y, and minus is our 2y, so minus 2y, then minus 3z plus our 3z, so this 2 will be cancelled, so minus x, and here it will be our plus 2y, so plus 2y we write first and then will be our minus x. So a plus b plus c value we got plus 2y minus our x, so this value we got. Now b plus c value, this one, we'll put the b value, then c value, then we'll add subtract, then we'll get this one. Similarly, we get c plus a value and our a plus b value also will get this one. After this, whatever the question given, this one will write here. So what the question given, this one we have written here, and this one we are considering as our a, so a cube, this one b cube, this one is our c cube. Now we'll take minus s common, so remaining one will be our positive. Now we'll apply our formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula we are putting here, applying here. Now from our, that means before only we got this one, a plus b plus c value is equal to our whatever we got, this one will put here, then b plus c value here will put, c plus a value will put here, and a plus b value we are here written this one. Now this one will take out from the bracket, see minus plus will be our minus only, and same to same will be remain, and minus minus will be our plus, and whatever the given same to same will write this one. Now this portion and this portion same our will be cancelled, so whatever is remaining, this one same to same will write here. So this exercise our here finished. Next we'll start our exercise 4.d.